ताकि ताकि
ये ले बेटा।
So hello guys, welcome back to my English spoken vlogs. So how are you all of you? I hope you are great. So friend, today I have started a speaking journey from the beginning level you can speak, and as well as what is the daily routine in our life, and how can we improving it. So just by taking the bath right now I am getting ready, and as well as you can see this is my room, and this room I got through the company, and he
रोम रोम भाइयों।
is my room partner. Okay, so let's go, and I will meet you another person to my friend you can see, and he is a lambu, means tall boy, and he is a small boy, but he is a very laborious person and lazy person. So how are you? I am also fine. Why are you laughing like this? Okay, and he is good. You are good. Without speaking, he is speaking good. Okay, so this is my room, guest house means, and there are 20 person live here, and as well as there is one mess, and there are 3 cook in the mess, and yes.
हेलो गाइस, ये प्रिंस है। प्रिंस बहुत लंगटा है। बहुत
No.
This is Fagi।
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Yeah, Fagi baby।
Yeah. So there are 3 cooks. He's a elder cook, and he's a middle cook, and he is a younger cook. So this is a mess, and just I have a breakfast, and after having the breakfast I will go company, and what is my daily routine I will show in this video. So please stay with us, and you can see today is I think halwa you can see, this is halwa. So let's go from here. Okay, in this particular way we have to learn English. So hello friends, I will meet you to the workers, because so workers will you tell what is the value of English. Okay, so you can see, and 5 and 6 person here. So friends, भाई हेलो, मेरा ब्लॉगिंग चैनल है, आप लोग कुछ बता सकते हो मेरे ब्लॉग में?
क्या सर?
अभी आप लोग मान लो काम कर रहे हो, तो इंग्लिश का क्या वैल्यू है, मतलब स्टडी का, मतलब कंपनी में इंग्लिश का क्या वैल्यू है? हाँ, नहीं, इंग्लिश का क्या वैल्यू? मान लीजिए आप इंग्लिश सीख रहे हैं, तो इंग्लिश सीखना जरूरी है कंपनी में अगर काम कर रहे हैं?
जरूरी है।
पर्सन यू कैन सी माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, बिकॉज दे आर स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश इज इम्पोर्टेंट इन द कंपनी। आप लोग कौन से काम करते हैं?
वेल्डिंग के काम करते हैं।
दे आर अ बेल्डर। ओके, दे वर्क ऑफ द बेल्डिंग, एंड एवरी डे टेकन बिल्डिंग या ऑल बिल्डिंग?
टेकिंग वेल्डिंग।
केवल टेकिंग बिल्डिंग। सो यू कैन सी दीज आर अ बेल्डर। ओके, एक्चुअली मैं इंग्लिश में ब्लॉग्स बनाता हूँ कि क्या इंग्लिश का वैल्यू क्या है। बहुत आदमी गांव से जो लड़का सब आता है ना, वो इंग्लिश को नहीं जान पाता है, गांव में नहीं सीखा, यहाँ आने के बाद प्रॉब्लम होता है। वही सेम टू सेम प्रॉब्लम मुझे भी है। सो फ्रेंड्स, यू कैन सी दे वर स्पीकिंग बिकॉज if you want to get the job in the company, so definitely you will have to learn English. And you can see this is my company no, it's the construction site, and it is work will be constructed by the IOCL, means Indian Oil Development and Deployment Resource Center is constructed here. Oh, so you can see, and today I will tell all my daily routine. Actually, just after joining the company, I will take the TBT. I will do, and as well as I will do the work 12 hours. Actually, right now, 7:15. I think it's 7:15 a.m. So 7:15 to till up to the 7 o'clock. I will do the job, and I will meet you almost 7 p.m. Okay, so stay with us. And every day I come in such a way, and every single day I practice in the company, as well as I talk to my senior person, and I attend the meeting, safety meeting. And today I will meet you my senior person, okay, and engineer, supervisor, and high management, HSC lead. So I will meet you to my all friends, okay. So stay with us, and if you are watching my first time this session, so please like and subscribe my channel. Right now I need a subscriber, okay, and every single day we will practice, okay. So friends, so this is the office area in the company. So today I have to show everything about all my daily routine, okay. So just I wanna meet you my senior person. राधे राधे सर जी,
सुन ले बात।
ओके एक्चुअली
इसी महीने के बाद
दिवाली पे डाले हो ना।
सो ही इज माय सीनियर सर ब्लॉगर
क्या बना रहे हो?
ब्लॉग्स वीडियो. So you can see this is my office bro, okay, and just I will go on the side, and after that and I will do work on the side, and I will come I think 12:40. So then I will meet you all the staff. सर कंपनी में इंग्लिश जरूरी है नहीं? इंग्लिश कंपल्सरी है ना? English is compulsory. Actually, sir, right now I am trying to speak English, so that's why. So this is my helmet, and right now I'm got ready. So let's go on the side. So Suha, Chikna boy, smart boy. So hello guys, it's a time to lunch, so that's why I came from the side, and actually I can't make a video by visiting the workplace because it's not allowed from the office. So that's why I go in my safety room, means safety container. This is safety container. So I will meet you all my friends. Actually right now there are some friends, they came here also, okay. So I meet you, and after that you can see these all are here, and I hope you must know him. It's Abhishek, and he's Patel ji, okay, and his uncle I don't know, but he's my room partner, so she's very cute, but I don't know. He's a Negri. So Negri, actually he's a belong from अरे कहाँ से? उत्तराखंड. So he belong from Kushinagar. Kushinagar. Actually I belong from Bihar, Gopalganj. ID number I don't know. Actually right now he is sleeping, and he just Jaiswal ji. So Jaiswal ji, where are you going? So this is right now I will eat, and I eat. After that I will go on the side. This is my daily routine. in this particular way, I have to practice daily. So definitely I can improve English, and as well as I remove the hesitation. Okay, it's a very important in the company. English is most important. So that's why. So this is my daily routine. So I will meet you by eating, and before going the room, definitely I will meet you. Okay. So finally, friends, duty has completed, and right now I am going to the room. And actually, right now I am leaving at 6. You can speak 7 p.m. Okay, it's I hope you are watching dark area. Okay. So this is this type of my. So friend, this is my guest house. Actually, this guest house got from the company. Actually, it was a dark here, so that's why I wasn't being able to make a video. So just you can see, and today it has made kheer puri. So I would like to show you. See, my friend is eating right now, and Paji also eating. So this is a daily routine, I think, and this is Junior Prince. Right now, culling the puri. What is the fry the puri? Yes. He's frying the puri. This is your word meaning. That's what. So in this daily routine, we will follow every day. So definitely, we can speak. So every day I will make a video. This kind of video I will make. So just I am to go for it. Eating. So I will meet you another video, another vlog. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Meet again. Okay.